meatball sandwich.
Meatball sandwich. OK, and so they buy the meatballs, they defrost them, and then, has that been microwaved, or?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, what else do we have to make? Scarpello?
That's nasty. When a restaurant can't even bother to make a meatball, that's not a good sign, let me tell you that. Somebody should tell him the chicken's definitely dead, but not okay. What's the matter with these guys?
Okay.
Oh, my God. What in the hell is that?
The Colossal pizza.
Wow. I mean, it's like someone's cleared out the fridge. Look at it. It's endless.
It has a little bit of everything except for anchovies.
Jesus Christ. Oh, that's dreadful. OK, thank you.
Okay.
The crap and the gunk on top of it is just hideous.
You didn't like the pizza?
He's not liking anything.
Oops.
Okay, now we have the chicken Scarpello.
Oh. Wow. It looks dull. That's not right. Oof. It smells. Is that fresh? Can you ask them how old the chicken is, please? Whoa, that was nasty.
How old is the chicken?
I don't know.
When did we get it?
I don't know. We took it out of the freezer
It's
yesterday.
14 years old.
We took it out of the freezer yesterday.
It's frozen. It is not fresh because we can't afford to keep fresh meat here all the time because we don't serve that much. If he wants to donate money so I can make it fresh, no problem, but otherwise, tough shit.
They're not open for lunch, but so far, what I've just experienced, they shouldn't be open for dinner either.
He took out the freezer yesterday and doesn't remember when the delivery was.
Jesus. Excuse me. Oh, dear. Excuse me.
I didn't think it was that bad.
Ugh. Under the tables, it's littered with gum. Colleen,
Yes.
look at that. It's everywhere. Oh, shit.
Absolutely disgusting. How lazy some people can be.
Let's go on a gumball rally.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, God, under there, look.
The size of the gum under that one.
Oh, look at that one at the end.
In the corner.
Oh, my God, look at that one there.
When was the last time the tables were cleaned?
Not ever that I've known of underneath.
They've never been cleaned underneath.
No.
Oh, my God.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
6, 7, 8.
9, 10, 18, 19, 20 bits of gum. Every freaking table
Has gum underneath of it.
has gum underneath.